Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. In today's episode what we are going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can make YouTube thumbnails or Instagram thumbnails or any picture editing using just your Android mobile. And this is the simplest way of doing. There are many thumbnail makers which charge you a lot if in case you want to make a thumbnail or if you want to edit a picture or anything in a proper manner, make it in a designer manner for your Instagram post or your YouTube post or for your Facebook post. But I'm going to show you the easiest and a free way in which you can go ahead and post your photos uh, via Instagram, YouTube, or making a thumbnail for YouTube, that is, or for Facebook. And it's totally free of cost without any charge. All you need will be just a photo what you have, which you have to post, and whatever text you require for that. So let's start with the tutorial. So first go to your home screen and open Google Play. Search for Pixel Lab. Select the first option. I've already installed it, so I'll just open it and you can install it. So this is the main page over here. Delete whatever content is there. Go to the three dots in the right hand side and select image size. Now go to YouTube thumbnail and select that. You can also select banner in case you want to make a YouTube banner or whatever, like Facebook or Instagram. Now go to your gallery and open any of the images which you have for which you want to make the thumbnail or you want to make an Instagram post. In my case, I'm making for YouTube, so just check this out and adjust it according to the width or anything. Okay, and now you see the plus icon above. Click it again and select text this time. Last time you selected gallery, this time select text. And go and edit. I'm just going ahead and putting a unboxing. Click on OK. Now you can go ahead and drag and drop it to any place you require. And go to the options given below, select the color. I'll just go with white because it looks good with the background, and I'll take arm wrestler font. Style would be bold, and you can go further and check out the options. I'll enable the stroke. It will give a better look, shadow and the inner shadow. You can just enable all those options. You can explore it as it's a free app. You can download it from Google Play Store. And after doing all this, all you have to do is, you see the above save icon, click on that. So it will say save as project, save as image. So you can just save it as image and go to PNG, save it as image, and it's in the format which you want. So save to gallery. So there's one ad which is coming up, you can just skip that. And now if you go to gallery and see all photos, you'll see that the image has been saved in PNG format and as you had edited it without any problem. And this is the simplest way by which you can go ahead and make your own thumbnails. So that is the most easiest way of going ahead and making a thumbnail or any Facebook post or Instagram post or stories, whatever you want to name it, by using Pixel Lab. and I showed you each and every step by using a mobile how you can go ahead and use it. And as I told you, it's totally free of charge. And after you make a thumbnail or after you make a post or anything like that, in the Pixel app, there after you create a picture, there would be an ad popping up, but that is the least we can pay out for. That is the least what we can do for at least supporting them, because we are not going to pay anything for the thumbnail or anything like that. Almost they'll be just giving an ad out, but this is the easiest way you can go ahead and make a thumbnail in minutes. That is, after you make your YouTube video or you make a Instagram, you want to make an Instagram post or your Facebook post. So this is one of the best ways you can do that. And if you did like this video and you learned something from this, then subscription would be appreciated, and please do like and watch the other videos which I have posted in the channel, so that you can get more information and you can get more guidance from the tutorial. Until next time, you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and this is Kamal, and you have a wonderful day.